You can use another ingredients. You can make cheese sandwich and stuck with cheese too. You can choose anything have the same shapes. The most important thing is the shapes, rectangle shapes and circle shapes. And the last one here. Now we will use this as a product. Sorry for this. Stack them two here. Put some glue. We will use the chocolate. You can use honey. You can use anything you have at your home. It's very easy. And now it's the smoke. You can eat this sandwich as a snack, as your breakfast, as whatever you want. It's our train for today. Don't forget to wash your hand well before eating and before make this train. And don't forget to say Bismillah before eating and Alhamdulillah after eating, and enjoy staying at home. Love you all and thank you. It's our train for today. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.